The Boppy ComfyFit Baby Carrier combines the security of a structured carrier with the comfort of a wrap, offering a cozy and safe experience for both baby and parent. Designed with a modern aesthetic, this carrier features adjustable arm straps and a padded waist belt to ensure a custom fit for a variety of body types. Its lightweight, yoga-inspired fabric includes UPF 50+ protection, making it ideal for parents who want to carry their child without the bulk of traditional carriers. The carrier offers 3 carrying positions, which are suitable for newborns and toddlers alike, ensuring hip-healthy support as certified by the International Hip Dysplasia Institute. The Boppy ComfyFit Baby Carrier is highly portable, packing small into its own pouch, which makes it easy to store in a diaper bag and perfect for families on the go. The product is easy to care for, being machine washable, and designed by moms to make parenting a more enjoyable and less stressful experience.